Hey friends, in your surroundings, in your news medias, you are listening the many news items like the border issues with the China and India and the Ladakh borders. So here I will discuss the main reasons due to which the China gets in pressure and go back to his areas in Ladakh borders. The reasons that will be discussed here like number one is the boycott China campaign in India, which is started some days ago and it is too successful to ban the Chinese products. Point number two is the banning some internet apps, which has banned by the government of India, and the rules which are framed by the government of India in the FDI. Other points like railway projects, infra projects, and trade war with China with other countries, and coronavirus pandemic in these days. So let's start one by one these points. The first one is the boycott China campaign. As you all know that in Ladakh border, the war-like situation becomes in weeks ago. After this, the boycott China products campaign started in India, which alert China for his future losses in their economy. Because large population of India in United is the campaign. It means Indian peoples also played a greater role in this situation because they show that we are all in unite if problems are on the country level. The second major point is banning 59 internet apps by the government of India, which hurt Chinese companies too much. In these major companies like TikTok, Shareit, Xandr, etc., which has a large number of the users in India, the data suggests that approximate 30% revenue of TikTok like app is from India, which has a greater loss to the Chinese apps. Government of India also changes in FDI rules and said that the countries with which India has a border issues cannot invest more than 10% in India. This step hits the Chinese economy too much because Chinese companies continuously increasing their investments in India and taking over many companies in India. But after this rule, they cannot do this. The other points one is the government of India also take back or cancel some railway and infra projects contracts with China, which will generate the greater level of profit to the Chinese economy. And in the future, government is also not interested to give these types of projects to Chinese companies, which hit China like a bomb, because they are seeing a future of their country and in entire world. No country can substitute these laws because no country has such population like India that creates demand for Chinese companies in these like projects. Trade war is also started side by USA, as USA banned a Chinese company Huawei for 8 years, which is a greater loss to the China, and also put more tariffs on Chinese products, which make the trade wars between the China and USA, which will also hit back to the Chinese economy in future too much. And the last but the major point in the coronavirus spreading, as you all know that as all the countries already against China due to the coronavirus spreading. And is in a statement, USA also called it as a Chinese virus. No country is standing with China in any matter because all countries assumed that their loss in the coronavirus pandemic in economies is only due to the China. So friends, all the above are the major reasons due to which China gets under strong economical pressure and go back to their areas in the Ladakh borders. There can also be other reasons, but I explained here the major ones only. Thanks to all for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Meet in next video. Goodbye.